Hi there. So today I am doing an unboxing of a new planner system that I ordered this weekend. It's called the Happy Planner, and I'm so excited about this because it basically combines the best of both worlds of the A5 type planner and bullet journaling all in one. Because as creative as I like to believe I am, I'm not very creative. You can barely tell that a stick person is a stick person when I draw it. So here we go. So I am gonna open up. I ordered the planner and a couple expansion packs. So here we go. Let's see what we got in here. So there we go. So this is the big style. So it's about an 8.5 by 11 size. And the cover just says, "Be happy." Sorry, I'm not left-handed, so this is a little difficult for me. It just says, "Be happy," which rings a little close to my heart because that was one thing that my dad always said to me, and we recently lost him. So yeah, so I loved the colors and whatnot, and it's a laminated cover, so it will hopefully last a good while. And then you just open it up, and it says, "Hello, planner belongs to you." So I guess it's if like you're out and about or at an event with multiple other moms who have the same planner, then you always know whose is whose. Let's get rid of that box. So let's see here. Let's see, all right. Yeah. Okay, so you open up the first page and you have 2019 and 2020 annual layout. So you can see all the calendar dates. And then it goes into, it has like a monthly goals and what's going on this month type page here. It's kind of paper. I don't know how useful that's going to be, but that's okay. It's a thicker cardstock for the dividers. And this one is an 18-month calendar, so it goes from now in July 2019 through to December 2020. So it comes with all those. It comes with the month layout, and then kind of a month's checklist and goals and whatnot, and then a week's worth, a bunch of to-dos, daily pages or weekly pages, I guess, and notes. And it looks like they have that for each month, and then it goes to the next month, same thing. And each divider is, some of them have these foil designs, which is really nice. And the messages are gorgeous. I'm loving the design and the colorfulness of it. And yeah, so it just kind of keeps going on. Same idea through all of those. So the extra thing, so that's the initial planner. So that's that. And then the extra expansion packs that I ordered from Amazon. Let's see here. I got the fitness pack. It comes with 322 pieces. It has some dividers. Let's see here. It includes stickers, undated pages, dividers, monthly calendar pages, which are undated. Track your fitness for 4 months with weekly food and exercise log spots. So, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Progress, that's the... Anyways, that is the logs that it comes with, and it has dividers with inspirational quotes and keep you going, and then stickers with dates and months and whatnot all on them. So that'll be awesome, because as I said in my video last night, I really want to get on getting back healthy and whatnot. So that will be awesome for me. And then I got just a pack of grid paper and note paper, just because I like to be able to jot down notes and whatnot and be able to keep track of video ideas for content for my channel and for the blog and all of that. And then they had a budget edition undated section too, so it has 318 pieces to it. So it has stickers, monthly calendar pages as well, undated, dividers, monthly budget, expense tracker, and savings goals pages, which is awesome, because we are looking at hopefully buying our first home here in the next 6 months or so. So that will help us keep on track with everything as well. And then I got just a pack of daily log pages. So this is just like the regular day timer type stuff like you would find in an A5 planner, and my top 3 priorities, and a to-do list. So even if I only get the top 3 priorities from the to-do list done in a day, that's okay. I will be happy enough with that. And on the back side of the pages is a brain dump spot. So that will be awesome. I can utilize some of that. And then the goodies keep on coming. I have, because we start homeschooling this fall, to be able to help me keep organized for that. Like, this will all fit in here because it has 18 months in the planner, but I plan on taking some of those months out and say only having 6 months at a time in my planner to be able to make room for the other sections that I need. So this one is the teacher edition. There we go. Teacher edition planner accessories. So this has the some stickers for her work. It has a ruler, divider thing to be able to keep so that I can just easily flip to that page. It's got a pocket folder and a little bit of note paper. Nothing major, but it's just something to get us started and whatnot. And every good planner comes with a habit tracker. So I got a pack of habit tracker pages to try them out. There's 3 trackers to a sheet. And then on the back side, it's 1, 2, 3 and notes to self. And yeah. So, and I was a bit concerned about durability of the planner because it is an exposed disc system. It's not, there's no binder to protect it all, right? So the edges are all fully exposed. So I went to my local Michael's because they had some sales going on, and I got this leather or faux leather cover that the planner fits right inside of. Let me just open that up, pull it out. Hang on. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, just unclip that. And then, see, it's cute. It's got polka dots. It's got a couple little pockets right there. And it's got a spot for a pen right there. Well, no, another pocket. But all you do is you take the back page of your planner and just slide it in. Like that. And then, planner's all protected and safe inside. So, that is my new planner. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait to get started using it. And after I've used it for a few months, I'll probably do another video and let you guys know how it's going and if it's really worth the price tag that's on it. So I will leave links to everything I got here below for Amazon, just so you can check it out for yourself if you want. And hopefully this works out, because I desperately need some help with keeping my time organized and straight, and everyone where they need to be when they need to be there. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.